Hi, this is Mark Gottfried, Manager of Brewery and Distillery Design for Crawford Company.
What does it mean to be an American craft brewer or distiller? What might have started as a hobby turned into an obsession. From backroad shacks and industrial parks to the country's largest cities, craft brewers and distillers are making the best products in the world. It's hot, humid, and hours of cleaning. But you do it because you love the work. The raw ingredients, making something with your own two hands. It's honest. It's American. Crawford Brewing and Distilling Equipment knows where you're coming from. We buy only 100% American stainless steel and turn it into the most rock-solid, undeniably American equipment available. With over 65 years' experience, we can design your plant from top to bottom and seamlessly install it. You need a partner you can trust, one who understands why you do what you do. Let Crawford Brewing and Distilling Equipment be that partner, and we'll build your dreams together. We have existing brewhouse plans in 7, 10, 15, 20, and 30 barrel sizes, but as a custom fabricator, we can make anything up to 320 barrels. Unitank fermenters, horizontal lager fermenters, bright tanks, multi-vessel brewhouses, automation and remote access. The sky is the limit. Crawford's Distilling Division offers copper pot stills built to match our brewhouse volumes. Add a 7, 10, or 15 barrel pot still to your plan and start making malt whiskey without a large equipment investment. We have everything you need to make vodka, gin, bourbon, and cordials. Versatile mills that work for brewing and distilling. Silos, and all the grain handling equipment to go with them. We have agitated grain-on fermenters, mash cookers, proofing tanks, and our exclusive combination brewhouse that can make lautered brewer's wort as well as distiller's beer for grain-on fermentations. Crawford Brewing and Distilling Equipment has distributors agreements with a wide variety of partners, such as Wild Goose can fillers and Ska fabricating conveyors and depalletizers, and can handle all of your beer or spirits packaging needs. We have activated charcoal filters for making hard seltzers, as well as Anton Par lab equipment. Our engineers can help create an efficient floor plan that fits into the space you have available. We are also boiler and chiller experts and will properly design these systems and install them for you. Give us a call to discuss your project today and find out how buying American-made equipment from a turnkey partner with our experience and extensive resources will make your project go smoothly, on time, and on budget.
When we heard about Crawford, it was great because they had been in service, for a long time. They had the experience in stainless steel. They had the experience in welding, and that's really what sold us on this. Customer experience was great. From the first time we went down there, they walked us through everything, how it's going to be made, the time that it's going to be made. Time frame that it was made also worked great into our timing because they can produce a brew house faster than most of the places, even China builds. They walked me through everything. Which side do I want the mash tun on? Which side do I want the boil kettle on? Where do I want this? Where do I want this? And it was pretty customizable. If I wanted something in a different spot, they were more than willing to move it for me. I've received calls, I've received emails, and I'm always happy to help new breweries that are in the same position that I was. And I always tell people that Crawford was a great company to work with. I've never really had any problems with the brew house, and that goes a long way. I mean, we've been producing beer on it for 5 years now, and really nothing has gone wrong. So it's been a great system to work on. They stand behind their product, and that means more to me than anything. So.
So we had to brew by the beginning of October. We had a very quick turnaround. And so we had to have the equipment here and installed and ready to go in order to brew enough beer to be open. With all the engineering that needed to be done, all the piping and everything else, we entirely went through Crawford.
I think quality is great. It's top notch. From just, the steam piping out to our tanks. Our tanks are fabbed really well. Super durable. They do their job well. It's more user-friendly. haven't had any issues whatsoever.
You know, kind of like that shiny new toy you get at Christmas that you can't wait to get out of the box and kind of dive right in. And from day one, it was Crawford helping us out.
It makes good beer. That's all that matters.